Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Linda, and in today's video I will be cleaning the master bedroom and the master bathroom. So just join me as we clean. Like you can see, I put on my gloves and my mask. I wear masks because some of the cleaning products are so strong, especially the glass spray is so strong that I do not want to clean and inhale a lot of chemical into my body. So as much as I can, I try to get away from a very strong chemical cleaning product and try sometimes to make my simple product with just baking soda and vinegar and then dishwashing soap. I started by cleaning the mirror, sink, and the countertop. After that, I went in with Clorox wipe and then microfiber towels. The microfiber towels help make the faucet shine and also wipe any other excess water on the countertop. Now I am in the shower and I'm using a very simple product which is Dawn Power dish soap. That is what I'm using today. Just spray it all over the door and I started scrubbing, making sure everything is out. The brush I'm using is so soft, it's not going to scratch the glass or anything like that. So fine with that. Like I said, I normally use my own solution, which is just baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap to clean. But today I'm just going with Dawn. So I'm just wiping down everything with a microfiber cloth because once you do that, when everything's dry, it will look so clean and shining. Now I'm just wiping down from the top to bottom to make sure it's really clean. I go in multiple times because I want the toilet to be really clean. Now it's time for us to fix our towel. So I'm just like folding the towel into two, just like how we always do it, and we'll be doing a little bit of design here. the bathroom, let's move to the bedroom. I have already started laying the bed, so I'll just continue to put it together, making sure everything is good. Putting in the pillows. And while I was cleaning, I was also listening to preaching. My glory, that lift my head. Sing it one more time. We're done laying our bed and vacuuming the bedroom. Now let's fold our towel to make it look beautiful, just like how the hotel and luxury spa have it. I like rolling my towels. It makes it look so luxurious, and also these are the things that make the difference. It takes your room from basic to luxury, like adding a pillow, adding a throw of your color. It enhances the room. It makes your room look really, really pretty. Now let's go down and wipe down everything, because even though there's not much going on in the bedroom, the dust from vacuuming and even the air, the wind blows and stuff like that. So yeah, I have a little study table in the bedroom, so I am taking care of that too. I want things to be very simple, classy, but really, really nice. Now we are all set. Let's look at how our finishes product look like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.